Cuba and Puerto Rico. With Puerto Rico now under the control of the United States, they would introduce the Four-Acre Act, which instituted a civil government and designated Puerto Rico as an unincorporated organized territory. This means that only parts of the U.S. Constitution apply to it, that they have self-governance, and that Puerto Ricans can't vote. Later in 1917, Puerto Ricans would gain American citizenship, and in 1952 would create its own constitution and become a commonwealth. So this is how Puerto Rico got its modern-day status. But why wasn't it made a state? Well, due to the native Taino and African slaves brought over by the Spanish, non-white Puerto Ricans were still a sizable minority of the population in the early 1900s. This made some American legislators afraid that if Puerto Rico was given statehood, racial mixing would occur on the US mainland. This is part of the reason why Puerto Ricans originally had limited autonomy and didn't have US citizenship. The US also wanted to protect the business interests of white American farmers. It was also thought that if Puerto Rico was admitted as a state, the Philippines would have to be as well. The legislators didn't want this though because it had a large non-white population